Wow!
What is all this? Hello and welcome back to our channel, Debbie and Charles.
Hi!
Today we
Tonight.
we are unboxing some packages that are from some of our YouTube friends.
Yes, we have like 2 packages in here, also 1 envelope. Kita unboxing lagi guys. Selamat datang ke channel kami, Devi and Charles. Apa kabar kalian semua? Semoga semua dalam keadaan sehat, walafiat dan bahagia selalu, menjalankan puasa dengan baik dan sehat-sehat, lancar-lancar ya.
Yes, exactly. So this is from Dini Lifestyle?
Ya, Dini Lifestyle Amerika.
Yes, she's from Georgia.
Yep.
One of our YouTuber friends from the United States.
And her house is nearby a lake.
Oh, we got a lake house.
Yes,
Oh,
lake
wonderful.
house.
But that's very pretty.
Yes, bagus banget guys. Jangan lupa mampir ke channelnya Dini Lifestyle Amerika, sahabat kami YouTuber dari Amerika juga yang ada di Georgia. Rumahnya keren, ditambah dengan danau. Begitu dia keluar ke halaman belakang udah langsung danau. Mantap.
Yes, and our anniversary is coming up. Do you remember when we got married?
In here or in Indonesia? Kita
in
menikah 2
here.
kali.
In here.
In here. Yep. 30.
30th or the 29th?
No, 30.
30th? Okay. Of April. Ah. So this is an anniversary card. Wishing us joy in everything we do. Dreams still yet to come true. Most of all, wishing you
Amin.
love.
Amin.
It's in Indonesian, so
Yeah.
I will read it.
Please.
Selalu rilun. Oh, Rikan. Happy
Selalu
and
apa?
Selalu Rukun.
Ya, rukun. Do not say rakun ya.
No,
It's
yes.
different, rakun.
Yes.
Rukun.
Selalu Rakun. Rukun. Happy and
Penuh.
penuh cinta sampai kakek. Nenek, ya?
Amin, amin. Doa yang indah dari Dini Lifestyle Amerika untuk kami. Terima kasih ya Oma Dini. Kita menyebut Dini Lifestyle Amerika itu Oma. We used to call Dini Oma, grandma.
Oh, okay. All right. Next is this one. This got partially opened up. This is from
No?
Tia's Kitchen.
Oh,
Ibu Tias?
ini dari Jawa Oregon
Jawa
Family.
Oregon family, yes.
Dia ada di Oklahoma. Apa yang dikirim kira-kira? Kita udah buka puasa guys, jadi kita bisa melihat, mencoba kalau itu adalah cemilan-cemilan atau makanan ya. Devi and Charles.
Yes. This is
Hati-hati sayang. It's not a cat, right?
I hope not. If it's a cat, it's probably dead by now. I hope it's not a cat.
Oh yeah. This is your favorite.
Yes.
Wow.
So check this out. This is tempeh chips.
Yes.
So this is something that they're making.
Yes, there is an envelope too.
Oh, I was wondering what that was. It was stuck behind the paper.
Is that money?
I don't know.
Oh, it's a glass of wine.
Glass of wine, no money, but that's another anniversary card.
Oh, thank you so much Jawa Oregon
Yes.
family. Tia dan Ken juga
Yes.
Lanika. Terima
Lanika,
kasih banyak.
yes, Lanika has a new YouTube channel, Lanika Cat.
Yeah, Lanikat.
Lanika, yes.
Yeah.
So this is an interesting
Thank you so much, Tia, Jawa Oregon family. Wishing you both a wonderful anniversary and may many more years of happiness together. Best wishes on your anniversary and always. Tia and Ken Jacob.
Yes, so
Thank you
Tia
so
and
much.
Tia and Ken are starting their business with the tempeh chips. And I like the way that they package these. So you break
It's
away.
bagus ya?
And it looks like it's a Ziploc.
Yes, it's very bagus. Ziploc, jadi
Yes.
dia nggak masuk angin ya. Not masuk angin. It's not melempem. It's gonna be still crunchy.
Yeah.
Guys, jangan lupa mampir ke channelnya Jawa Oregon Family. Di sana banyak video-video menarik mengenai wisata di Amerika, di Ekuador, dan juga mengenai bisnisnya membuat tempe,
Oh my God.
tempe chips, juga membuat masakan, membuat salsa, terus belanja-belanja, vlognya, daily vlog menarik sekali. Sama dengan Dini Lifestyle Amerika juga sama, bagus, menarik, dan dia juga punya vlog mengenai daily vlog mengenai kebun di belakang rumahnya dengan greenhouse. Jangan lupa cek channel mereka Dini Lifestyle Amerika dengan Jawa Oregon Family, oke? Nonton videonya dan subscribe. Terima kasih.
These are fantastic. These are delicious.
Ini bagus, enak. Adam, ask Adam to try.
Adam! He's upstairs probably.
Nah.
Okay. It's okay, more for us. These, Ken, I agree with you. These are going to be a hit. I think they're better than regular chips.
Yeah, this is very good, and the salty, the seasoning is
Yeah.
very cocok.
Yeah,
Pas, enak banget.
it's not too strong. It's not too weak. It's just right. I can eat these, you know, by itself
Enak,
constantly.
enak banget. Sukses buat bisnisnya ya, Jawa Oregon Family. Untuk keripik tempenya, nanti aku mau belajar. I wanna learn and she will teach me how.
Okay.
Kalau aku kan juragan tempe, tukang tempe di Amerika. Kalau Jawa Oregon Family adalah tukang keripik tempe di Amerika.
This is so damn good.
It's good we open this after breakfasting so I can
Yeah.
directly eat. Another one, baca dulu.
This is from Agus.
Agus S.A. Jalil.
Oh, Jalil.
So guys, aku punya sahabat waktu aku SD namanya Hanum. Waktu aku SD di ujung pandang, jadi orang tua Hanum dengan orang tua aku itu satu pekerjaan, kita tinggal di komplek. Nah, kita berteman baik ya dari kecil. Dan terakhir aku ke Indonesia kemarin, sempat ketemu Hanum dengan mamahnya, Ibu Jalil. Dan aku tahu dari Hanum kalau adiknya Hanum, Agus, ada di Amerika, tinggalnya di Houston. Dan Agus mengirimkan paket ini. Aku nggak tahu isinya apa beneran. Penasaran, pengen tahu apa isinya. Soalnya Agus waktu ngirim paket ini, dia nge-DM aku di Instagram. Agus bilang, selamat menikmati. He said, please enjoy.
Okay. I hope it's not a cat.
Apa ya? Apa? Wow!
What is all this?
Oh my god!
Noodle crackers.
Noodle crackers? Oh, this is
kerupuk
Indonesian product.
mie? Yeah.
Kerupuk mie.
Kerupuk mie.
Also need to fry this in a
Oh, you fried this. You don't just eat it. You can't just eat it straight.
It's gonna hurt your teeth.
Okay, yeah, don't do that.
Agus, terima kasih banyak ya, banyak banget isinya. Tuh lihat, ini ada kerupuk mie. Ada apa lagi sayang?
More kerupuk that you cook in the oil.
Kerupuk we
Yeah.
can do in microwave.
Or the microwave. Yeah, we've had this. This is really good.
Kerupuk bocah tua. Asam garlic. This is garlic tapioca. Must be good.
Oh yeah.
Aduh, Agus, kamu tahu aja kalau aku teh suka kerupuk.
This is from Solo, Indonesia.
Oh
What
my
is this?
god. This is
Abon sapi, is some sort of beef thing.
beef, like beef jerky, but
Oh,
it's
really?
apa?
All in one?
already it's already like hair, like
Oh, it's already shredded?
soft. Yeah, shredded and soft,
Okay.
and a little bit spicy.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
This must be very good.
Yeah,
Oh,
this should taste
delicious.
very good.
Show.
You got longer arms. And we got more
Different kind of tempeh
different
chips.
kind of tempeh chips. So
We need to fry it or no?
no, I think it's already ready to eat.
No.
No?
This is kerupuk. We need to fry.
Oh, okay. We need to fry it. Can't microwave it, right?
I don't know. I haven't fried.
Okay.
Oh my god, Agus, banyak sekali.
Oh,
This is my favorite.
yes. We've had some of these. These are really good.
Kacang apel.
Yeah.
Indonesia product, you know,
Yes,
guys.
this is a good snack.
Indonesia product.
Yes.
Bagus.
Bagus. And then
I don't know what is that. And
I
it's
don't know.
covering. It's covering by something. So, what do you think?
I don't want to shake it because it might be fragile.
Ini kayak botol, guys, kayak toples. Aku nggak tahu apa. Gimana open it? Show them.
Oh, just a black
It's the black.
tube here.
Apa kira-kira, baby? What do you think?
I don't know what this is. I think it's chocolate. You know we
Why?
love our chocolate.
Why chocolate covering by that?
I don't know.
Enak banget nih Jawa Oregon.
Yes.
Little piece punya Charles aku makan nih.
Cookies.
Oh, cookies.
Oh.
Oh, buat lebaran, guys. Dapat kue buat lebaran. So it's like a nastar. It's a pineapple cookies. So inside the
Yes.
pineapple is very good.
Oh, I bet.
Wanna try?
Yes.
Show them first.
Was that right?
Yes.
Yes. So, it's that brand.
It must be in Houston. There is like exhibition of the Indonesian
Ooh, yeah,
product.
yeah.
He told me. So he bought this for us. Thank you so much, Agus. Salam buat istrinya dan anak-anak yang di Houston. Insya Allah, we gonna go to Houston, right? Next month,
Yes.
and we can meet Agus over there, and I can introduce you to Agus. And I haven't met I met Agus when he was very
Very small.
kid, small, like 7 years old maybe. Waktu di ujung pandang, back then, waktu itu aku umurnya 12 tahun, aku SD. Aku 11 atau 12, Hanum itu beda setahun lebih tua dari aku, dan Agus itu masih kecil, mungkin dia umurnya kalau nggak 5 tahun, 6 tahun. Agus tuh masih kecil banget. Agus, thank you so much ya.
This is very good.
Jadi aku belum pernah ketemu Agus nih, sampai detik ini baru menerima kiriman oleh-olehnya aja.
It's like,
Very good.
yeah, it reminds me of a small, like, we call them fig Newtons here. I guess you have fig Newtons in Indonesia? No?
Apa tuh?
It's like a cookie that's made by Nabisco or
No.
something. But this, instead of the fig, it's like the pineapple. So it's really good.
Ya. Okay.
Well, makes you thirsty.
You know what?
Well, no, more than
Waktu-
tempeh chips.
Waktu ibuku belum sakit, guys, kita tiap tahun selalu bikin kue kering. Kita selalu jualan when I was when you haven't found me and my mom still healthy, aku sambil translate ke dia ya karena dia nggak ngerti bahasa Indonesia. Jadi aku ngomong dicampur bahasa Indonesia dengan bahasa Inggris. Back then, when my mom still healthy and my mom still alive, we make this type of cookies every year. We sell.
Yes.
And we make a lot of money, yeah. And then my mom share the money to us, to the children, to the grandchildren that helping her.
Yes.
And we go someplace like 2 days or 3 days before Eid Mubarak Day.
Yeah.
We bought new clothes. We bought new clothes, new shoes for Eid Mubarak.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is something you and your family would cook
Yes.
all the way up until like before you left.
Yes.
Before I stole you away from
From my family.
yes, maaf.
Jadi kita tiap tahun memproduksi dan jualan isi kue kering. Aku bagian membentuk tuh, aku bagian membentuk, kakak aku Anita, mamah aku bagian ngadon, aku bagian membentuk, kakak aku Anita dia bagian membakar bake the cookies and put inside the jar dan masukin ke toples. Itu bagian-bagian kami, kita ada pekerjaannya masing-masing gitu, bagiannya masing-masing. And alhamdulillah kita tuh selalu tiap tahun mendapatkan hasil penjualan yang bagus. The net profit from the selling cookies very good.
Good.
Yes, and Adam also helping, and my son, my daughter Alma.
Yeah,
Adam, come here.
It was a
Try
family
this.
deal.
Apa itu?
Jawa Oregon Families kerupuk, keripik tempe.
Keripik tempe. Oh my God, it's delicious. You've had this. Of course you've had
No.
this. No?
No. What do you think?
Yeah. I think it's better than tortilla chips that we have here.
This is very good ya.
Mm-hmm.
Alhamdulillah rezeki Ramadan ini, rezeki dapat keripik tempe, rezeki dapat banyak kerupuk dan produk-produk Indonesia.
Yes.
Dan dapat ucapan kartu dari Omadini Lifestyle Amerika. Thank you so much. Kartunya indah sekali, doanya dan harapannya.
It's our 3-year anniversary coming up. In
Anniversary
a
mau
few weeks.
Yes.
Yeah.
We already
Oh.
anniversary last week, last month,
Yeah.
and we gonna be we have
Another one.
another one anniversary this
Yes.
month.
Congratulations.
Peluk dong sayang, peluk dong.
So, I am going to take Debbie to Spain.
Yay! For bulan madu ya.
Yes, Spain in June. So we're going to be going. We're going to make some more videos. We're going to check out some grocery stores, see the sights.
And harvest also, baby.
Maybe we could harvest something if something's
In
worth
Spain?
harvesting.
Ya, kita mau cari tempat
Yeah.
panen juga di Spanyol.
Yes. But there's a reason why I picked Spain, and that reason is going to be on the next video, maybe. So, be sure to like and subscribe, ring the bell, check out some of our other channels, how I met Debbie, how I lost Debbie, and how I found Debbie, and how I stole her. I didn't steal her, but how her journey to get over here. So be sure to check it out.
And on our playlist,
Yes, it's on our playlist.
True Love Story.
Yes. All right. Well, thank you for watching. Good night.
Dadah.